evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. Once you have located your seat, we ask you that you please step out of the aisle so the passengers behind you can pass you. This will expedite.
I've never wanted a 360-degree camera. I really haven't. In fact, when I come across them, I actually turn away. Until now. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you'll have noticed that my photos and videos have recently taken a decidedly circular form. I have been well and truly captured. It's rare to come across a piece of technology that literally feels like magic, but here we are. Insta360 have done the impossible. They found an actual compelling use for a 360-degree video camera. No, really. I am completely slack-jawed in childlike wonder at the magical unicorn dust that seemingly powers the Insta360 One X. And I have not been paid to make this video. I bought my camera out of my own hard-earned money. The genius of the Insta360 One X's primary feature is free capture. Shoot now, point later. See something interesting while walking around? Don't worry, you've got it. Want to slowly pan the camera up to see that stained glass window? Don't think about it now. Do it in post-production. That's the benefit of capturing everything at once with the Insta360 One X. The other upside to capturing such a massive amount of visual information at once is that you can output it in whatever preferred format is. No more blurry background filler, no more lost information, 16:9 widescreen, 1:1 Instagram or 9:16 vertical. All you need to do is get on with whatever action you were doing, then choose your output format later. The Insta360 One X offers the highest degree of stabilization I've ever seen, and I've got a GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I know what I'm talking about. It manages this in two ways. First, rather than cropping a bit at the edge of the video to act as a buffer, it has the entire field of view to use. It's got all of that extra video to work with. On top of that, it has a 6-axis gyroscope. It knows precisely how the camera was moving, in what direction and where it was angled, and it can take that into account. Videos shot on the One X have this ethereal floating quality about them that seems, well, impossible. It almost looks like it's been shot on a perfectly stable tiny drone floating out in front of you or behind you or above you, just floating near you. In fact, it's a really long extendable selfie stick which the Insta360 software then photoshops out. Amazing magicalness. And finally, and this is admittedly a very niche mode, but it's one I wanted to point out anyway because I think it's fun. If you're old enough to remember the first Matrix movie, you'll know that bullet time was a pioneering technique that involved an array of cameras around a scene snapping away to create the illusion of a camera panning around a scene in slow motion. It was a mind-blowing effect that seemed impossible at the time. Now, the Insta360 One X does bullet time too. You've got a camera crew in your pocket and it can do it for you. Take a look at this. So that's it. Expect the Insta360 One X to feature a lot in my social media and YouTube videos from now on. I am all in with the Insta360 One X, and you might want to check it out too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.